we have completed chapter number 2, whole numbers part 1, exercise 2.1. Today we are going to start with part 2, properties of whole numbers and exercise 2.2. So let's begin. So let us start with the first topic of today, properties of whole numbers. So the first property is closure property under addition and multiplication. Whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication. That is, if x and y are two whole numbers, x and y are two whole numbers, then x into y or x plus y is also a whole number. Example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. If you add two whole numbers, their sum will also be a whole number. So here 5 is also a whole number. Next example, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. If you multiply two whole numbers, their product will also be a whole number. Second property, commutative property of addition and multiplication. The sum and product of two whole numbers will be the same whatever the order they are added or multiplied. Their sum and product will be the same. If you change the order, then also they will remain same. So here, if x and y are two whole numbers, then x plus y is equal to y plus x and x into y is equal to y into x. Example, if you add 7 plus 2 and 2 plus 7, order is changed, but the sum will remain same, that is 9. So 9 is also a whole number. Second example, 3 into 5 is equal to 5 into 3. So here order is changed, but product remains same, that is 15. So 15 is also a whole number. So we can say that x plus y is equal to y plus x and x into y is equal to y into x. Third property, associative property of addition and multiplication. When whole numbers are being added or multiplied, they can be grouped in any order. When the whole numbers are being added or multiplied, they can be grouped in any order. And the result will be the same. That is, if x, y and z are three whole numbers, then x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. So here they can be in any order and their result will be same. Similarly, x into y into z is equal to x into y into z. They are being grouped in any order, but result will be same. Example, 2 plus, in bracket they have written 3 plus 1 is equal to, here 2 plus 3 is in pair plus 1. So let us see whether LHS and RHS are equal. So here 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So here they can be in any order, but result is same. Now let us see another example. 3 into 5 into 4. So 5 into 4 is in one group and here 3 into 5 is in another group. Now let us see, 5 fours are 20. 20 into 3, 16. So 3 into 5, 15. 15 fours are 16. Groups are changed but answer remains the same. Fourth property, distributive property of addition and multiplication. If x, y and z are three whole numbers, the distributive property of multiplication over addition is x into bracket y plus z is equal to, you have to open the bracket, x into y plus x into z. Students, if you remember chapter number 1, expanding brackets, I explained you how to open the bracket. First you have to multiply the first number by outer number, x into y, then operation, that is plus, then x into z. Similarly, the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction is x into y minus z is equal to x into y minus, here operation is minus, x into z. Now example, 3 into 4 plus 2. So let us open the bracket. First you will multiply 3 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Next example, 6 into 4 minus 1. So first you will multiply 6 into 4 minus 6 into 1. So I hope students all four properties of whole numbers are clear. Students, keep in mind whenever you are adding and subtracting any number by 0, answer remains the same. Example, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Answer remains the same whenever you are adding or subtracting by 0. Next is whenever you are multiplying any number by 0, answer will be always 0. Example, 4 multiplied by 0 will be 0. So now let us start with exercise 2.2. So students, open a Maths NCERT book, page number 40. Question number 1. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. A bar 837 plus 208 plus 363. Before moving to question, let me give you all one example. Suppose if you want to add this number 167 plus 238 and another number you have 100 plus 200. So out of these two numbers, the last digit you have to see here 7 and 8. So here you have to add each and every number one by one. Calculation will be lengthy. If you have here 100 and 200, last we have 0, 0. So calculation is very easy. Directly we can do 2 plus 1, 3. Answer is 300. So here we have to add by suitable rearrangement. So let us see those numbers. If we add together, at last we get 0. हमें वो नंबर देखने हैं जिससे हम एक साथ ऐड करें और लास्ट में 0 आ जाए ताकि हमारी कैलकुलेशन इजी हो. Let us see. If we add 7 and 8, we have to add each and every number then. Let us see last 7 and 3, it will be 10. So let us take a group of 837 plus 363. These two numbers I took together to make it 0 plus 208. So now let us add 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 3 plus 8, 11 plus 1, 12. It will be 1200 plus 208. So it will be 8, 0, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1. So your answer is 1408. B bar 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Same way we have to do this part. You have to see the last digit. If you add, it becomes 0. So let us see. So 2 plus 8. One pair will be this. And 3 plus 7. At last we will get here 0. So let us write in bracket 1962 plus 1538. This is one pair plus 453 plus 647. So now let us add them pairwise. So if you add this 2 plus 8, 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 6, 9. 1, 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. So right here 5 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 and 1, 3. 3500 plus 3 plus 7, 10. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So let us add 0, 0. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. So answer is coming 4600. Students, keep in mind whenever you have to find out the sum by suitable rearrangement, you just have to see the last digit and make a pair accordingly where you get 0 at last to make the calculation easier. Question number 2. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. So before moving to questions, let me give you all one example. Suppose if you have to multiply 2 into 100 and if you have to multiply 168 into 235. So out of these two numbers, calculation will be more easy if you have to multiply 2 into 100. Because whenever 0 is at last, you simply have to multiply the initial numbers. At last 0 will come. So answer here it will be 200. But in this case, you have to multiply each and every number step by step. So same like this, let us do A part. 2 into 1768 into 50. You have to make a pair accordingly, which you multiply. At last, 0 should come. As we have done in case of addition, आपने pair बनाए थे. If you are adding, at last 0 came. Similarly here, two numbers you will take. If you multiply them, at last 0 should come to make your calculation easier. So let us see here. If you multiply 2 into 0, at last we will get 0. So let us make the pair here. 2 into 50 into 1768. 52s are 100 into 1768. So see students, calculation became so easy. You just have to add 0 0 at last. So your answer is 176800. B bar 4 into 166 into 25. Same way we have to do this. Let us take the pair 4 into 25. 4 into 25 into 166. 25 fours are 100 into 166. So your answer is 16600. You just multiplied by 100. Answer came 16600. C bar 8 into 291 into 125. So you have to multiply. At last 0 should come. So let us multiply 8 into 5. That will be 40. So at last we will get 0. So let us take the pair 8 into 125 into 291. So 8 into 125, that is 1000 into 291. So answer is coming 291000. Now D bar 625 into 279 into 16. Let us make the pair. So at last here we have 5 and 6. 5 6 are 30. So we are getting 0 at last. 625 into 16 into 279. So if you multiply, we are getting 10,000 into 279. So at last we are getting 279. And how many times 0? 4 times 0. I hope students these questions are clear. So E and F part will be your homework. You have to do them in the same way. Question number 3. Find the value of the following. A bar 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. Students, if you notice here, 297 is coming 2 times. Instead of multiplying them 2 times by 17 and 3, let us write them only once. How we will do? The first step is write these numbers first in bracket. 297 into 17. Then write here plus sign. Then 297 into 3. So both the brackets we have 297 common. Let us write this outside 297 into, so make another bracket. Here we have 17, then plus sign, then 3. So write here 297 into 17 plus 3, that is 20. So multiply 297 into 2. 7 2s are 14, 9 2s are 18, 19, 2 2s are 4 and 5. So it is coming 5940. Now B bar 54279 into 92 plus 54279 into 8. So same way we will do. First step is to make the bracket. So write here 54279 into 92. In another bracket you will write 8 into 54279. So in both the brackets we have this common. Write outside 54279 bracket 92 plus 8. So 54279 into 92 plus 8, that is 100. So your answer is 5427900. C bar 81265 into 169 minus 81265 into 69. So first let us write them in bracket. So right here 81265 into 169 minus another bracket 81265 into 69. So in both the brackets 81265 is common. So write it outside 81265 into, make another bracket 169 minus 69. So right here 81265 into 169 minus 69, that is 100. You just have to put 0 0 in front. 81265 0 0. Now D bar 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. So what we will take outside? First what we will do, we have to make a bracket. 3845 into 5 into 782. This is in one bracket plus 769. Students, this 25 can be written as 5 into 5 just to make the number common for outside. So right here 5 into 5 into 218. So if you multiply 769 into 5, let us multiply 769 into 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 6 are 30 plus 4 34, 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38. So it is coming 3845. As you can see 3845. So both will be now same. We can take outside. So let us write here 3845 into 5. This is common in both the cases. 769 into 5, that is 3845 into 5. So it is common, we are writing in outside. Now bracket 782 plus 218. Let us multiply. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 19 into 2 plus 8 10, 1 plus 8 9 plus 1 10, 7 plus 2 9 and 1 10. So your answer is coming 19225,000. So I hope students these questions are clear. You just have to see both the size numbers where operation is written. Whichever number is common, you have to write it outside. Question number 4. Find the product using suitable properties. So students, these questions are based on properties which we discussed earlier. A bar 738 into 103. So number is given and we have to use the property here. So this 103 can be distributed as 100 plus 3. So let us write here 738 into 103 can be distributed as 100 plus 3. So multiply 738 by first number, that is 100, plus 738 by second number, that is 3. So let us multiply 73800 plus 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22, 0 plus 4 4, 0 plus 1 1, 8 plus 2 10, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 and 7. Answer is coming 76014. Now B bar 854 into 102. Again this number can be distributed as 100 plus 2. So in both the cases we are using here distributive property. So let us write here 854 into 100 plus 2. So now multiply 854 into 100 plus 854 into 2. So it will be 854 54, then 0, 0. Plus 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. So 0 plus 8, 8. Then 0, 7 plus 4, 11, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 and 8. Answer is coming 8, 7, 1, 0, 8. C bar 258 into 1008. So students, here 1008 can be distributed as 1000 plus 8. So let us write here 258 into 1000 plus 8. So multiply 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. Then 258 0 0 0 plus 8 8s are 64, 5 8s are 40 plus 6 46, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 that is 20. Now add 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 5 plus 1, 6 and 2. So answer is coming 260064. Now D bar 1005 into 168. So here 1005 can be distributed as 1000 plus 5. So let us write here 1000 plus 5 into 168. So multiply 1000 into 168 plus 5 into 168. So 168000 plus 5 8s are 40. 6 5s are 30 plus 4 34. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. So now let us add 0. 0 plus 4 4. 0 plus 8 8. Then 8 6 1. Answer is coming 168840. So I hope students these questions are clear. All 4 questions were based on distributive property. So now let us understand question number 5 to 7 through screen.
Question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Solution. So petrol quantity filled on Monday, that is 40 liter. Then petrol quantity filled on Tuesday, that is 50 liter. Total petrol quantity filled, that is equal to 40 plus 50 liter, that is 90 liter. Cost of petrol per liter is equal to rupees 44. Total money spent, that is equal to 44 into 90. So 44 into 90, that is rupees 3960. Now question number 6. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Solution. So milk quantity supplied in the morning is 32 liters. Then milk quantity supplied in the evening is 68 liters. So cost of milk per liter is given rupees 45. So total cost of milk per day rupees 45 into 32 plus 68, that will be rupees 45 into 100, that is rupees 4500. At last we will write, hence the money is due to the vendor per day is rupees 4500.
Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all understood Guli ma'am's class. So chapter number 2, exercise 2.2 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. Now our next class will start with exercise 2.3. So stay connected, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.